Hey, today I will show you a simple trick how to fix sky in this picture. So what I'm doing is I'm selecting sky, duplicating and inverting because I want to have the front of the picture as well. And there are a couple of ways to fixing sky. So let's start with understanding what's the overall data that we have in sky. And it looks like we almost have nothing. So the best way is to just overexpose and lower temperature of the sky. This works, especially in the sky that is pretty much all covered with clouds and there are no visible marks of cloud. Okay, let's work on the front of the picture as well. Just extract a little more details from this. Use texture, clarity, maybe some whites, some blacks. Okay. As you see, this is before and after. It's on the first sight very hard to determine that this is not a cloudy sky. That's the perfect fix. Thanks.